Hi, my name is Luis Martinez and I'm at the Appleton Tech Center, and we're going to show you how to change a toner on the mixing machine. Let's take a look. So you're going to come in and grab the toner that's empty. Make sure it's clean on the top. There's no dirt or debris. Unlock it. Make sure it's not stuck to the old can. Open up the new toner. Transfer the mixing lid onto the new toner. Lock it in place. Put it back on the mixing machine and make sure to turn on the machine so the toner gets mixed before using it. Hope that tip helped you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.